11, yeah, I thought so too, but somebody commented, I think Beverly Ann commented that 12 is normal for one duck, so yeah, it seems like a lot of eggs. You can call me the dude. Hey, River Raven. Oh, geez, the neighbor's doing some target practice. Just heard a gunshot. All right, let's see. Anybody swimming around out there? You too. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, this is going to be cool with the ducklings. It's nature in action. We'll see how many survive. The last time we had ducklings around here, they slowly started to disappear because there are a lot of predators, foxes, owls, cats. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. They're hiding right now. I don't see them. They're really well camouflaged. They could be right on the edge there. Yesterday, they were hanging out in this tall grass over here. I don't see anybody, though, right now. Maybe they're taking a nap inside the duck house. Can I zoom in? They might be in there. All right, let's see. Some zoomies going on. Hey, Beverly, how you doing? Did you see one? Is she in there? Yeah, I can't really tell. She might be in there. They might all be in there. It's kind of dark and my phone doesn't really zoom in that well. I saw a single duckling swimming around about 10 minutes ago and I don't know where he went. I'll see. I'll keep my eye on the pond and try to zoom in if I see them again. Let's see what the puppies are up to. Moose, you're up on the blocks. Good boy. What do you think, Raven? Good girl. Here he comes. Uh-oh, don't jump on me. Oop, I'm zoomed in. Here we go. Playtime. Zoom. Oh, Dunedin, I missed that comment. That sounds funny. Yeah, what type of dog is he? He was zooming extra fast because he was streamlined. More aerodynamic. Back and forth. Getting our exercise in. Hey, you guys don't get too rough.